guys, it's Yaya. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this 3-strand flat twist out using Hello Gorgeous hair care system from Naturalicious in 1, 2, 3 very simple easy steps. This system was made to simplify your natural hair routine, make it simple, easy, quick, yet effective, okay? So I'm going to run you guys through exactly what I did to achieve high definition. Step 1 is the Moroccan Razul 5-in-1 clay treatment. I am a sucker for clays. I love their cleansing properties, and I also feel like they definitely help elongate and define my curls, as you guys will see. This clay is not chunky. It doesn't have like little thick pieces of clay in it. It's very soft and smooth, and it glides onto my hair with a lot of slip, as you can see. My hair responds to it instantly, and I'm loving it right now. This process was quick and easy because it had so much slip and it literally glided through my hair. You guys can see how it has elongated my curls already. And what I love about this clay is it's 5-in-1, so it's acting as a shampoo, it's acting as a conditioner. You can use it as a deep conditioner, and it also helps detangle my hair in the same process, doing everything a leave-in conditioner would do. So this is just awesome, and I'm loving it. You can see already how it responds to my ends throughout my whole entire head. So from roots to tip, I went on and I just lathered this onto my hair, you guys. I was really loving this product, as you guys can probably see. It really cuts down on you having to make your own clay. It's already ready for you. So once you work that through and detangle your hair, then you can go ahead and rinse it out with lukewarm water. See, easy, quick, and simple, right? This is what I'm loving. Look at my hair, okay? All washed out, no products, nothing, and it has responded. It's clean, no product buildup, no residue. My hair is loving this clay. It loves it. Look at that curl. Okay, so now it's ready for step 2, which is the moisture infused styling cream. You guys already know I'm a sucker for creams and butters. They just work for my tightly coiled curly hair. It just works for my hair. And if you have thick, tight 4 hair like me, I know your hair responds to butters and creams as well. So I'm lathering this on, and it has great slip. It helps to smooth out my hair and detangle it very easily, and it also smells amazing. So now my hair is ready and prepped for the flat twist out. Okay, you guys. Now I'm gonna let you know, this was not easy to explain, and I tried to explain it a little bit in my last video, but this time doing my whole head in flat twist, okay? Now, I'm gonna take this one in my right hand, your right, my left, but I'm saying in my right hand, and it's gonna go around the other 2 pieces. The other 2 pieces are gonna stay separated as that crosses over. Did you see that? Okay. When that happens, I'm gonna pick up hair, and then I'm going to twist it around again, around those same 2 pieces, while keeping them separated. Now I'm not going to lie, you guys, my hands did slip a couple times. I did get it kind of mixed up a couple times, and I had to stop and start over a couple times. Like, this was my first time doing this. When I thought about this idea, I don't think there was anybody else had ever done this, or I haven't seen anybody do it, so I really had to kind of figure this out on my own, and I kind of love that. That's what playing around and learning and educating ourselves about our natural hair means. It means just experimenting and learning new things, and I'm going to share those new things with you guys. So I really hope you can see and understand what I'm doing, because it was really hard to get the angles right for you guys, but I took my time to try and make sure that I could explain this the best way I could. Alright guys, so here's another example of me just twisting my hair and grabbing up hair as I go. You want to keep those 3 strands just separated. That's the best way I could just say it, and just to keep going around taking one strand, focusing on that one strand, going around the other 2 strands while keeping those other 2 strands separated. I think that's the best way I can pretty much explain that to you guys. You can also refer back to my other video where I did regular 3-strand twists. That way you can get the hang of doing it that way, and once you get the hang of that, doing it as a flat twist will be a lot easier. Alright, on to step 3, the Divine Shine Moisture Lock plus Frizz Fighter. This oil smells so good, you guys, okay? I just squirted a little bit in my hand and then I'm rubbing it all the way through my hair to cut down on frizz and to give it a little extra shine. Alright, now for the disclaimer. This video was shot in segments, bits and pieces here and there because I've been sick over the past month. So you can see that my hair is a little frizzy because it's been about a week or so since it's been up and under wigs and all that good stuff. So I'm using the Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter to kind of refresh it and give it a little extra shine. I feel like it's still held up, and that's why I really wanted to show you guys just how amazing these products are, and that even though it's been in a protective style for a while, the amazing definition that I still got. And I only needed 3 products to achieve this. Like, that's amazing. I didn't have to separately shampoo, separately condition, and deep condition. I did everything in one, styled my hair, and I got bomb definition. That's also what I love about these 3-strand flat twists. I don't have to sacrifice volume for definition. I don't have to sacrifice definition for volume. With the Hello Gorgeous hair care system in this 3-strand twist, I'm able to achieve both. From roots to tips, nothing but definition, beautiful curl pattern, soft, not crunchy, manageable, shiny, just beautiful, gorgeous hair, and I'm obsessed with it. I hope you guys are too. Please let me know if you like it down in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Check out Naturalicious, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright? Bye!